It is very windy here. We've got the truck parked up at an angle because we know that the water is going to be coming in. Tom's found a pumpkin somewhere. There it is! The pumpkin! All hail the pumpkin. So we're going to take a walk out this way now, and we're going to wait for the tide to come in, and hopefully we're going to get you some fails. So we're here. We're on the Strood, Mersea Island, right in the middle of the Strood. This is where it starts. So the water will come in through that little grate down there. We'll see it come in. It'll lap across the road where all these cars are driving now. And you can see the tide coming in. All we have to do now is just wait for the tide. Here it comes. So while waiting for the tide to come in, this is the interesting part. So this says, Strood flooded, do not attempt to cross. There you go. It says high tides in an hour, but it says now the Strood is flooded. However, it's not. And it's things like this that make motorists ignore the warnings. It's like crying wolf. So if you tell people the Strood's flooded and it's not, then they don't believe you when it is. We'll have to see who else ignores it. So here it is, the start of it. This is the tide coming from over there, lapping through onto the road. And once this starts, this is going to keep going for the next hour. So I've moved position now because I know that this comes in real fast. And when it does, the cars invariably try and splash us. You can't blame them. Where's the owner of these? So we're walking out of this part. It's a foot deep over there. I'm keeping hold of this because, well, I don't really want to get grabbed and dragged by the tide. It is ferociously strong, so it tries to take your feet every time you lift your feet, and this is again why you don't want to mess around with the sea. You've got to show it the respect it's due. So we're heading out of here now. You never know, someone might try and go through, but we're going to be heading to a different part of the island in a minute, where there's a pretty good chance that it's going to flood for them. We'll wait and see. Oh look, they're all turning around. So the cars waiting have suddenly worked out that they're actually going to get consumed by the sea if they remain where they are. There's this one trying to go back, but he's about to find out that it is also pretty flooded where he's heading. Yep, he's discovered it. He's found it. Oh, where are you going to go now? So yeah, these drivers are putting themselves into a bit of a situation here. He's now going to have to queue up with the rest. I'm going to go break the news to them that this is going to get probably about a foot deeper where they're currently parked. Yeah, let's go. We do this for a living. Yes. So when you watch the videos on social media, the car gets stuck. See, I did the nice thing. I let them know, and they're still going to sit there and wait for the tide to come in. Ah, look, they're turning around. They're going to brave it. They're going to reverse. Now they're watching the water coming around them. We'll watch the water coming around them too. You'll be fine. It's just the water splashing through the rims at the moment. It's not even up to the bottom of the car. It's an exciting adventure for you for the day. You don't? No. It's surge tide all week this week. But yeah, you want to end up down that way. We'll take a wander this way. Just keep going really slowly, and I'll make sure you're okay. Stick in the middle of the road. Do you want to go for the very middle? And you guys call us YouTubers bad, say that we encourage people. See, we really do help. And they're locals. So moral of the story is, don't go in the water. There's Tom running like a Labrador. Oh dear. We missed that one, but we caught it now. Here it is. The bonnet's up. How long? Oh, probably about an hour. Have you drowned it? Did you drown it? No, I came half. Thank you. On that. Look, Tom Sunderland there, all victorious. I always said he's like a giant Labrador.
easy as that.
I mean, no one will ever know, will they, Tom? That was an easy one. We're going to go and find the other part of the island now. So there's a good chance we've been told that there's some cars that are suffering with the water. But we've got our own little battle to contend with coming up with this. Let's see where it gets to. So we'll approach nice and slow. And we'll see if we make it. This is pretty deep in the middle. So we came down to the other part. Truck's nice and clean now. We've got to take it for a proper freshwater bath now. It's just been through the salt water. But the car park today did not flood. I wonder what it'll do tomorrow.
Breaking down.
So that rush of water can mean only one thing. The tide is on its way out. But not everyone has been so lucky on this one. You'll see it behind me. Oh dear. I shouldn't smile, should I? Trying not to, honest. There's Tom. He's smiling too. I wonder if someone else will have a go.